We're here at the Sydney preview of The Lion King, which is in cinemas tomorrow. Oh, I can't wait! I'm so excited! I have to see this movie. Welcome to the Bug Bar. Today our specialties are grasshoppers, roundup ants, and our famous mealworms. Thank you.
Give you the next one.
Wow, we just watched Disney's The Lion King and it was absolutely astounding. It was amazing. Get your Lion King Ooshies at Woolworths now. It's definitely not one to miss. It's in cinemas tomorrow, so grab your popcorn and head on down to your local cinema.